Matter of fact, yesterday, the stock market was declining midday. The Dow Jones was down about 300 points. And at 2 p.m., there was an article in the Wall Street Journal by Nick Timiraos, who is known as the Fed Whisperer, meaning has direct contact with the Federal Reserve. And he said that it's likely they're going to take a pause over the summer as they weigh the banking stress and they weigh the impact of their previous tightening. So I think we're done. And as a matter of fact, as you look through the different components of the CPI report yesterday, now 40% of those components are actually in deflation, not inflation. So with the most stubborn one, which finally started to come down because leases work on a 12-month lag, which is shelter and owner's equivalent rent, I think we're going to see it continue to come down, the lagged effect. And because we saw Timiraos publish that, more likely than not, what Jay Powell referenced in his press conference last week, where he said we may be at that level, and then Timiraos confirming it in the Wall Street Journal yesterday, bodes very well that they could in fact pause here for some time. If they need to go back in a few months, if the data doesn't come down, they'll do that. But I think we're going to see the data come down materially, in which case they're done at this 5.10, which was their last published terminal rate.